So in this situation, I'm basically going to show you the difference between my guys taking 3 500-foot spools of wire, putting it on a cart, setting it up, getting ready to pull wire, versus a pre-made spool from the spool machine. The ease and time that can save my guys in the field by having the spool machine capable and ready to to make a spool and bring it onto the job site. So the first thing I'll show is the 3 individual is a black, white, and a green. The same thing as what's on my already spooled setup, but the time involved to set up wire and be ready between the spool machine wire and individual wire that you will buy from the wholesaler. So now I have 3 spools, individual colors. I can take these 3 wires and feed them into my pipe. Okay, now that's the time it took to get 3 individual spools set up and ready to go. Now with my pre-made spool, we'll show you the difference. Now I'm ready.
Wow.
Yeah, big difference.